Welcome to Wikirox, the go-to source of information for your rotation at VA Boston. We carefully curate Wikirox to have the most up-to-date orientation info, policies, and resources for you to be able to successfully care for the veterans. Almost any question you have for a chief resident can be answered on the wiki, so we ask that you please turn around and check Wikirox before paging the chief on call. If you don't get an answer, our pager is 58801, and we are happy to help. We'll never be wrong together. The homepage has quick links to the critical pathways like Code Blue, Code Green, or STEMI and massive transfusion protocols, as well as links to instructions if you're involved in a needle stick or occupational exposure. The inpatient phone book has a link that only works on VA computers, which contains all the useful phone numbers at West Roxbury. We encourage you to open this page and use Control F to find the number you're looking for. At the bottom of the home page is an extremely useful search bar. You can also follow the Joint Chief Residents on Twitter using the link at the bottom, so you don't feel like you're always in the dark about the latest teaching topics at the VA. The Orientation tab has links to VA Basics, which has information about getting to the VA, food, call rooms, and other general principles. The Orientation tab also has orientation pages for each of the individual rotations here. You should read the relevant page to your rotation so that you're not even a little bit terrified on your first day. The Rules and Policies tab has links to the admitting scheme, bounce back rules, and inter-service logistics. The How-To tab has a lot of resources for troubleshooting day-to-day problems, like figuring out your VA pager, getting consent or supervision for a procedure, or fixing computer access issues. It also has links to our other instructional videos for CPRS, as well as useful instructions for things like how to take a living history narrative from a veteran. When you access Wikirox on a VA computer, the links in the Phone Books tab will take you to our inpatient and outpatient phone books. There's also a link to the on-call schedules in this tab. Finally, our Med Consult library is useful for any med consultant or residents looking for tips on peri-operative medicine. We encourage you to explore the wiki before and during your rotation so that you don't always feel you don't know what to do or you're always in the dark.